Amy Covino has been covering this case from the very beginning. And Amy, you're joining us live now. The exposure around this case has been extensive. You've been covering this now for years. Is that going to make it difficult to select a jury?
Yeah, I mean, this case captured global attention when it first broke. And then, you know, she's this darling little girl and the glasses and the pigtails. And, there'll be national media here to cover this trial. But, this case and the media often blamed for excessive exposure on cases ahead of trial. This case different. The public was included early on by law enforcement because this started, as a missing persons case. And officials wanted everybody's help to find her. We do know that the jury pool is large because of the intense and years-long coverage of this case.
So now, Amy, how will the court determine if a juror can be impartial if they're seated, given that this has been everywhere, local, national, and even social media?
I know, especially in what we do, it just seems like all we do every day is talk about Harmony Montgomery. So how could anybody not have formed an opinion? But there is this process. It's called voir dire, and it's a list of questions agreed upon by both sides. So they really kind of hammered out which kind of questions they wanted to present to each juror. Those questions are designed to expose conflicts of interest, as if, does a juror know any of the witnesses on the list? Has the juror been a victim of violent crime themselves, or have family members who are in law enforcement? All of those might expose a bias one way or the other. The defense added specific voir dire questions for this case to find out just how much exposure a potential juror had to the case. Both the prosecution and the defense get a number of what's called preemptory strikes. So those are like freebies. They can just toss out a juror because they don't like how they look or they don't like how they present, and they don't have to give an excuse.
Okay, so long list of questions, very specific, I imagine. So how long could this process take to get 12 jurors and 2 alternates?
I know, it seems like it could take all week. The court seems confident that they will seat a full panel with alternates by the end of day tomorrow. They are planning to do opening statements on Wednesday. So even if jury selection spills over into Wednesday, they hope to seat that jury and jump right into the trial.
And we know you will be there covering all of it.
Yeah,
thanks, Amy.
Indeed.